Want to post in a Facebook group without revealing your name? Sometimes questions are sensitive and privacy really matters. Most people don't know Facebook supports anonymous posting. Today, I'll show you how to post anonymously in Facebook groups. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where you learn smart, simple, and privacy-focused Facebook tips that actually work. Step by step, how to post anonymous posts in Facebook groups. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile phone and log in. This feature works on most updated Facebook versions. Make sure your app is fully updated for best results. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Locate the 3-line menu icon in the top corner. This menu gives access to groups, pages, and shortcuts. Open it to continue navigating. You're now heading toward group settings. Step 3. Select groups from the menu options. You'll see all the groups you've joined. Choose the group where you want to post anonymously. Make sure the group allows anonymous posts. Step 4. Inside the group, start writing your post as usual. Type your question, message, or content carefully. At this stage, your name is still visible. Don't post yet. There's one important step left. If this privacy tip is useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more Facebook privacy and group tricks. These tips can really protect your online presence. Step 5. Turn on the option Participate Anonymously. This hides your name and profile from group members. Only group admins can see who posted it. Your identity stays private. Step 6. Review your post one final time. Once everything looks good, publish it confidently. Your post goes live without showing your name. No profile, no identity, just your message. Boom! Your anonymous Facebook group post is live. Anonymous posting is perfect for sensitive topics, honest questions, and privacy-first users. Just remember, use it responsibly and follow group rules. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below for more Facebook privacy, group, and profile tips. See you in the next one. This is Preyo Phonie, keeping your social media simple, smart, and secure.